Good morning to you all. Thank you so much for stopping by for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in. You can join in once in a while or every Monday. You can put it up anytime you want on Monday because we're all very, very busy people. And I know that it's hard to get everything done on a certain time when you have jobs, work, and family. And I want you all to know that if you want to join in every single week, you can, or if you just want to join in once in a while. But when you come over, please check out the playlist. Try to give everyone some little bit of love and see what they've all done. They put a lot of time and effort into these posts. And also want to thank you all for making it possible. I made 4,000 followers this month, and it was a great time to do it. It was for my birthday. Oh my, it was the best birthday present you could have given me. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the love and support you give me every single month. I have at least 6,000 to 7,000 to 8,000 followers every month stopping by my channel. I cannot tell you how much joy that brings to me. And if you leave me comments, I do really try to leave a comment back on your channel if you have it, and I try to answer your comments. So thank you so much, my dear friends, for all your love and support. It means the world to me. Well, let's get busy and see what we're doing this week for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Good morning to all of you. It is Coloring Party with Friends time 2023. Hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day. I know I did. I stayed busy all weekend, and I'm still tired from it. But it's a good tired, spending time with family. Now, let's go check out our co-hostess, Crafting with Pat. Oh yeah, she is an awesome, awesome friend, and I do love her a lot, and she's always joining in with me on so many challenges and giving me so much love and support. And look at that big, beautiful smile. She joins in every week with a lot of different creators because she is a great, great friend. And this week, it's Coloring Party with Friends. And as you can see, she is a wonderful, wonderful creator. This is what she colored last week. Please go over and check out her video. It was really, really well done and some beautiful coloring. She always comes up with something new and different and has great coloring books and great style. As you can see, she put a lot of love and care into her coloring. And please go check out the playlist for this week and see what everybody did. And now let's go see my other co-hosted. And here is another awesome creator that joins in on so many people's challenges, and she does beautiful, beautiful tablescapes and all kinds of things to do with home decor. And she is so sweet, so supportive, and she joins in every week, Coloring Party with Friends. Oh yeah, you need to go check this creator out and see what she does. You can see just by these last 3 posts that she joins in coloring, and she also does some beautiful tablescapes. Go check her out. You're going to love this channel too. And she's really supportive as long as she loves your content. Now, don't forget to check out that playlist and see what everyone else did. And we have some great girls that join in every single week. They are such great creators. They have so many beautiful things on their channels. Please go check out their artwork, and please check out their channels and see what they have done. They always do such beautiful, beautiful displays on their channel, and they're all so creative. Now let's go see what Grandma did this week. Well, this is the book we're coloring out of today, Super Cool World. And it's a great coloring book, and it has great content. And as you can see, the artwork is just beautiful and whimsical. This is the kind of stuff Grandma loves to do. And I hope you're going to enjoy what I colored today. I have been so busy, I really haven't had a lot of time to color. So we just did what we could for this week. sit back with your cup of tea and see what we're going to share today. Well, aren't they cute? These are bookmarkers, and I'm going to eventually cut them out and do a DIY project with them. But I thought they were really, really cute. Let me know what you thought. That's a great thing about some of these coloring books. They have all kinds of little projects for you to do at the back. And this one, I'll show you some more that they are going to be able to do in the future. But I thought they turned out really good. It may look like I didn't color this, but if you really look, you can see that the white of the page is white, and the page of this little bookmark, of this coloring of the little bookmarker, is a very light tan. But it's very wonderful to color in this book. Everything is so whimsical and colorful, and you can do so many things with it. Really, really enjoyed coloring in this book. It's one of my favorites. And the same with this. This almost looks like I left it white, but it isn't. It's a very, very light color of a cream. So, let me know what you thought of this page that I colored. Thought I would share with you a little more about this book. But isn't it great? I just love how everything is so whimsical in this book. I always enjoy coloring in this book. It's always a joy to be in here. And it does take pretty long to do something because there's so much detail work to do and so much blending to do. But I still love it. Look how the butterfly turned out. The leaves and the little kitty. Loved it. And my little puppy. And all the pretty flowers that I did, and I did some blending on them also, and my leaves. Now here's a little wreath I haven't colored yet, but these will be great for when I start doing those DIY projects. And you can cut around it, and I can use some very light cardboard behind it, and it will look really wonderful and stand out. Here's some more bookmarkers that I haven't even colored yet. And you can see there's so many to choose from and so much beautiful detail work on each one of these. And you all know how much I love butterflies. Oh my gosh, is this not going to be a wonderful page? And then I can cut out those big beautiful butterflies and give them a little bit of support behind them and use them in displays. I think they will be just gorgeous on my table. Who knows when I'm going to get some of these projects done. I am so overwhelmed with different projects right now. But at least there's projects to come, and you can see this book is wonderful. Here is a great one for Christmas. I can't wait to try this out and see how it turns out. And here's another great project to try to do. This book is just full of beautiful things to do. And as you can see, this one has one of my favorite things I like to do, butterflies. Oh yeah, butterflies are my favorites. And as you can tell, something else I love, gardening. This one will be a joy to color. And I'm going to see what I can do with all these cute little gardening hats, water cans, shovels, flowers, garden gloves, some butterflies, and some tools to do my gardening with. See how beautiful everything will look. Can't wait to get in here and get busy in coloring again. It's been a while since I've been over at this book. And here's a page of name tags, to and from, and you could color them and put them on your packages. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. There's so many things to color here and so many wonderful things to share. Well, there's plenty more pages as you can tell, but I don't want this video getting too long. And it's not really supposed to be a flip through, it's supposed to be a coloring video. But because Grandma didn't have a lot of time to color this week, I thought I would do a little flip through along with sharing what I colored. Well, see you next week, and I'll see you for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. We love having you here, and thank you so much for coming. Love you all. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.